Yo, what's up, YouTube? Sick X Eagle here, and I'm feeding my brother's Beardy. He's so cute. You can watch him up here until I put him in. Chill. Stay down. Get back down. Oh, no, fuck it. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. Okay. Now you put some calcium powder in there. Calcium powder. Okay. Now, chill. So you see, you get to the other side. And then you just kind of swirl them around in here. So they get dizzy. Cover your calcium powder so they can't really jump out of the cup. Then you pop the lid open. Alright. Oh, it's still enough. Right there, buddy! Where's the fuck the... Oh, it's on the rock back there. See that one? So see it. Oh, there he goes. Alright, now I have to hand feed him. Hold on. Grab some of this green lettuce. Ruby! Oh, here. Can't see him at the moment, but he will come down. Down here, bugger. Oh, no. Aw. Come here. Chill. He is a wee bit close to the camera. Ooh. You need to give him those greens. Come here. No, I'm gonna let this one wait. Right here. There's my cat. Oh, Ruby, you're so full. Yes, you are. He sees the cat, he's not moving. Sam. Yeah, see, the cat gets very bored with him. Of sniffing the camera. Got a little lettuce hanging out of your mouth right there. Yes, I'm talking to you. He actually just got done shedding. There's some skin right there. That's about it. There's little skivvies back there. That one right there. But I just wanted to show you guys this because it's pretty cool. What are you doing, Roop? Like a skull. His skull. He chills on it all the time. So, like, favorite, comment, do whatever you want. Subscribe. See you guys later.